Welcome back to Joy Kitchen. Today I will make grilled cheese sandwich. And before I will put the cheese, I have to put the margarine. Here's my 2 slices of bread. Then this guy, you can use your frying pan, but you have to cook on both sides. This is very easy. So I have to put the other one. Since it's done, I need to put the cheese. See, I'm using 2 slices of processed cheese. And since I have sandwich flipper, so I'm using my sandwich flipper. Then that one is done. Now it's ready to cook. So I have to cook 6 minutes. I have to make a timer. Six minutes. So now I will cook one side for 3 minutes and flip it, cook, and the other side for 3 minutes. Okay, now it's ready to flip. So that's another 3 minutes. So now I'm cooking the other side for 3 minutes. So guys, just to let you know, I am cooking using medium temperature. Okay, now it's done. I will turn off the stove. Wow, it's perfect. I'm just gonna here we go. Here's my grilled cheese, guys. It's so simple. Very simple. Simple, easy grilled sandwich. Wow, very cheesy. Cheesy. It's really good, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. God bless.